Florence, known as Firenze in Italian, is the capital of the Tuscany region and is often regarded as the birthplace of the Renaissance. The city is home to the famous Uffizi Gallery, which houses one of the most important collections of Renaissance art in the world, including works by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. Florence was established as a Roman military colony in 59 BC, and its rich history is reflected in its architecture and art. The Florence Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, boasts the largest brick dome ever constructed, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. The Ponte Vecchio, a medieval stone bridge, is famous for its shops built along it, originally occupied by butchers and later by jewelers and art dealers. The city's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its architectural significance and artistic heritage. Florence was the political and cultural center of Italy during the 15th and 16th centuries, particularly under the rule of the Medici family. The Medici family, renowned patrons of the arts, funded many famous artists, including Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Sandro Botticelli. The Accademia Gallery houses Michelangelo's iconic statue of David, which was completed in 1504 and is considered a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture. Florence is known for its beautiful piazzas, including Piazza della Signoria, which serves as the political hub of the city and features a replica of Michelangelo's David. The city is also famous for its stunning churches, such as the Basilica of Santa Croce, which is the burial place of many notable Italians, including Galileo and Michelangelo. Florence's historic Santa Maria Novella train station is an architectural gem, featuring a Renaissance-style facade and modern amenities. The Boboli Gardens, located behind the Pitti Palace, are one of the earliest examples of Italian formal gardens and offer stunning views of the city. The city's cuisine is renowned for its simplicity and quality, with dishes like ribollita, papa al pomodoro, and the famous Florentine steak. The Mercato Centrale is a bustling market where visitors can sample local delicacies and shop for fresh produce, meats, and cheeses. Florence has a rich tradition of craftsmanship, particularly in goldsmithing and leather goods, making it a popular destination for shopping. The city is also known for its artisanal gelato, with many shops claiming to serve the best gelato in Italy. The Florence Nightingale, a pioneer of modern nursing, was named after the city, as she was born there in 1820. The city's linguistic influence is significant, as Tuscan dialect served as the basis for the standard Italian language. The Palazzo Vecchio is the town hall of Florence and features a tower that offers panoramic views of the city. Florence has a vibrant cultural scene, hosting numerous festivals and events throughout the year, including the Calcio Storico, a historic football match. The city is also famous for its fashion scene, being home to high-end brands like Gucci, Ferragamo, and Roberto Cavalli. The Strozzi Palace is an important Renaissance palace that hosts art exhibitions and cultural events. Florence's Santa Maria del Fiore Cathedral took over 140 years to complete, with its construction starting in 1296 and finishing in 1436. The city's historical significance extends to its role in the unification of Italy in the 19th century, as it served as the capital of Italy from 1865 to 1871. The Vasari Corridor is an elevated walkway that connects the Uffizi Gallery to the Palazzo Pitti, allowing the Medici family to move safely through the city. The city celebrates the feast of San Giovanni, its patron saint, with a fireworks display and a historic parade featuring traditional costumes. Florence has produced many influential figures in art, literature, and science, including Dante Alighieri, the father of the Italian language. The city is known for its beautiful frescoes, particularly those found in the Basilica of Santa Croce and the Duomo. The Florentine dialect is often considered the most pure form of Italian, thanks to its historical prominence in literature and culture. The Ponte Santa Trinita is known for its elegant design and is one of the few bridges in Florence that survived World War II. Florence's vibrant street art scene has gained international attention, with many artists showcasing their work throughout the city. The Galleria dell'Accademia is not only famous for the statue of David but also features a collection of Renaissance paintings and Gothic sculptures. The city has a rich literary history, having been home to writers like Machiavelli and Boccaccio. The Basilica di San Lorenzo is one of the largest churches in Florence and is known for its remarkable architecture and art by Donatello. The city is famous for its wine, particularly Chianti, which is produced in the surrounding hills of Tuscany. Florence is a hub for education and research, with institutions like the University of Florence and the European University Institute. The city hosts several renowned film festivals, including the Florence Korea Film Fest, celebrating international cinema. The Loggia dei Lanzi, an open-air sculpture gallery, features notable works such as Perseus with the head of Medusa by Benvenuto Cellini. Florence's historic cafes, such as Café Gilly and Café Revoir, have been meeting places for artists, writers, and intellectuals for centuries. The city's annual Artigianato e Palazzo Fair showcases traditional crafts and artisans, celebrating Florence's rich craft heritage. The Basilica di Santa Maria Novella is also home to beautiful chapels decorated with artworks by famous artists like Masaccio and Giotto. The city is famous for its historic libraries, including the Biblioteca Medicia Lorenziana, designed by Michelangelo. Florence has been a major center for textile production since the Middle Ages, contributing to its economic growth. The Palio di Firenze is a historic horse race that takes place in Piazza Santa Croce, showcasing the city's traditions.